Gajara Trust envisions to provide holistic education to the learner. We believe in the philosophy to learn, unlearn and relearn. Gajara Trust has introduced CI curriculum which offers a variety of routes from learners with a wide range of abilities including those which first language is not English.
We believe that a sustainable society can be created by providing overall development to creative young innovators.
It improves the learner performance by developing skills in creative thinking, inquiry and problem solving. It's a perfect springboard to advanced study.
A teacher takes a hand, opens the mind and touches the heart. And for them, schools are the most joyous places. The children we deal with are confident in spirit, eager to learn and boundless in resources. We take a lead from this curiosity and work our curriculum around it. A curriculum that gives new approach and transforms it into expertise.
The advantages of practical work are unmatched. We are moving more and more towards learning by doing, which facilitates student-centric learning. Teachers act as facilitators so that students learn to take responsibility of their own learning.
Other than application skills, we focus on thought-provoking questions using research and investigations.
The idea behind this is to develop a mind that is creative and inquisitive.
The world of chemicals never ceases my curiosity and thereby enduring my interest in practical learnings.
It has been a common observation when we teach with the students that they always question the teachers as to when and where will they apply the concepts that they have been learning all the time.
Cambridge curriculum encourages subject integration which connect the different area of study by cutting down the subject lines and emphasize on unifying the concept.
We also see to it that all activities that we plan are discussed elaboratively, well researched, and a proper discussion is done with the co-educators.
Our classrooms are designed in a manner where students get an equal opportunity to share their perspectives and ideas on the given topic.
We allow the students to interact and discuss their beautiful imaginations and ideas through peer-to-peer learning.
When we collaborate and work in groups, we actually get to understand the crucial aspects of a concept.
They reconstruct and re-evaluate their understanding of the world in collaboration with their peers.
Through our peer-to-peer interactions and group discussions, we get to focus more on the topic. We get to learn from each other and develop a rapport with our subject. Our speaking and learning skills are also improved.
We believe in instilling ethical values amongst our students. We teach them how to differentiate between the right and the wrong and to take responsibility for their actions. We indulge our students in activities like sampling plantation, making the best from the waste, and campus cleaning so that we can raise their awareness towards sustainable environment. Of course, the need of the hour is compassion. So here we work not only at creating educated people but also responsible citizens.
Every child is unique with different potentialities and capabilities. We are here to recognize and motivate their uniqueness and help the child grow with the self-confidence. The school offers a holistic environment with rich infrastructural facilities to nurture the child in such a way that the child is ready to face the competitive world.
Technology is helping teachers to expand beyond linear text-based learning and to engage students who learn best in other ways.
During our free time, we increase our knowledge by doing research work on the sites recommended by Cambridge. Computer classes are my favorite classes because we learn how to edit pictures and design video games.
Moreover, the promise suggests this miracle will occur almost by osmosis. We need only place a computer in a room, stand back, and watch the magic take place.
Build, create and experiment. These are the thumping inspirations that our facilitators give us.
Sunita's Makerspace supports our passion and provides us a platform to apply our skills into experimenting and actually doing things with our own creative ideas. Our tasks are based on reality, which helps us to connect the dots.
It builds the confidence in us to choose careers among all the subjects and activities offered. We don't rely on the teachers to give us information while we find it ourselves.
Good assessment is the heart of good education. These exams makes the children more focused, motivated and makes them challenged. Cambridge assessments help the students discover their innate abilities and help them to acquire skills that are required for their life. That it makes them confident, make them achieve at school, university, work and society at large, thus spreading one happiness.
To become a powerful educator, one must keep learning. As without continuous learning yourself, how can you teach others to learn? And how can you teach them to love learning? The development program for educators empowers us and acts as a think tank to widen the horizons. This will lead educator to explore different aspects of educational practices, right from curriculum development to improving the quality of classroom learning.
It's been 6 years my children are studying here, and I've seen them grooming and growing due to the excellent Cambridge curriculum. My children share with me the daily experience at school, and I can see the learning has increased their knowledge. The monthly parents-teacher meet has bonded me with the teachers so well. As I can see, they are equally aware of my child's development and wish for his growth.
The IGCSE curriculum is unique. It is a wonderful preparation for the three main skills of our lives. That is the ability to analyze, synthesize and communicate well. We are able to think critically and develop our linguistic skills through our oral and writing assessments. We can position ourselves as a part of the global village.
We at Gajera Trust are continuously building a culture of excellence and empowering learners to be ready for the future. They are happy, confident, balanced individuals and are ready to make a difference.